Hello students. Today, we are going to learn about universal gravitation for EPSET. This is a very important topic. After this lesson, you'll be able to easily understand the gravitation formula. You will be able to answer any question that comes in the exam. What is the law of universal gravitation? Every object in the universe attracts every other object. This force of attraction is called gravitation. This is the formula given by Newton. Always remember it. The gravitational force formula is F is equal to G, m1 m2, r2. Here, G is the universal gravitational constant. m1 and m2 are the masses, r is the distance. Every term is very important. Listen carefully. When we throw a ball upwards, it comes back to the earth, right? This is due to gravitational force. Similarly, the moon orbiting the earth is also because of this. Its effect is significant in our daily lives. There's a trick to remember the gravitation formula. Great minds multiply and divide responsibly. Gm1 m2 are on top, and r2 is at the bottom. If you remember it like this, you'll never forget it. Now, let's look at an example. Two objects have masses of 2 kilograms and 4 kilograms. They are 2 meters apart. What is the gravitational force between them? Calculate using the G value. This is an EPSET type question. Many students make a mistake here. They forget to square the distance. R squared means the distance must be squared. This is a very important point. Always remember it. Remember, gravitational force is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This is key. Try the quiz on the Vidyapat app. All the best to you. In EPSET exams, values are often in powers of 10. These cancel out with the 10 power minus 11 in the G value. So, estimating powers of 10 is very important. Now it's your turn. Try this question. The correct answer is B. The full explanation is on the slide. For more practice, download the Vidyapat app. All the best.